Welcome back to another vlog. I feel like I haven't done one of these in a while, pretty much since I came home from America, because I feel like I've literally just been working and doing paperwork and chilling. But your girl heads off to Jamaica tomorrow and I am so excited. We'll be working in Jamaica, which is fine. Did you know my lifestyle? I actually don't even know the last time that I took a full week off work. Because I work for myself, obviously, like, if I don't answer clients, nobody does. I get to make my own schedule, of course, but I don't even know if I've taken a week off, like, in over 2 years, which is crazy. But anyway, regardless, we're gonna get ready for Jamaica. I'm gonna take you through my little packing extravaganza. I'm still not finished with work today. It is 3:30. I need to finish working. I need to pack. I need to edit another video for YouTube. So I got a bit of things to do, but I am so excited to get back to the warmth because this is the palest I've been in 4 years. I have been in the sun. This is my first winter in 4 years. I've been away every single winter, which has been absolutely amazing. And although people have been like, you're not pale, I am pale for me. I have olive skin. So like this, like I get like a yellowy green undertone to my skin. And your girl just doesn't love it. So I am super, super excited to get back to the sun. And now we are packing for Jamaica. I honestly feel like since I've done so much long-term travel or having to fit things into bags for like months on end and having a lot of stuff and not wanting to get rid of any of it, that I'm actually a really good packer. So like this short little trip is super easy for me. My carry-on's not even fully packed, which is like a first time because my carry-on is usually always to the brim. Like I'm afraid the zipper's going to snap. That's how much I fit in there, and I literally make the thing weigh like 30 pounds when I lift above my head in the overhead bin, which I know obviously is not allowed. You're supposed to have like under 20 pounds, under 10 kilograms for your carry-on. That way it's like safe and no one's pulling it out and killing themselves. But your girl has to pack a lot of stuff, so a lot of the times I make my carry-on like extremely heavy, and then I will kind of just put it above my head and hope to God that I don't drop it, because it will smash my skull if I do. But I'm really excited. Like I said, I am not used to being this pale or this much cold for this long, so I am super stoked to get to Jamaica, except we have to leave the house at 5 a.m. tomorrow. So that means that I probably have to get up around 4:30. I need to shower still and like do my hair, because there's no God's way in earth I am showering tomorrow morning. And then as soon as I get to Jamaica, I'll do a little body rinse, getting her ass in the sun, because I need a tan. I have like 5 days of full sun to like make the absolute most of it. So trust me, I will be. All packed my clothes, and now I'm going to show you guys everything that I bring in my backpack, regardless of Jamaica or just going anywhere on my normal trips. This is like my must-haves in my backpack for electronics for all of my travel stuff. Alright, so now I'm going to show you what I actually put in my backpack. It's the same no matter where I'm going, even Jamaica versus when I leave to go to the UK or when I move to Barcelona. My backpack will always have the same stuff in it regardless. This backpack I literally got on Amazon. It is so good. Crisp, clean, black, can't go wrong with it. It has so many pockets, and all the pockets open to more pockets, and there's a bunch of pockets in the middle part, and it expands a lot, so there's a lot of room and a lot of stuff that you can get in it. Highly suggest it. It is linked to my Amazon storefront, which is down below, so if you're looking for a travel backpack, it was like 50 or 60 bucks, I think. Such a good freaking investment. But I'm gonna let you know what's actually inside of it every single time. So number one, laptop. My laptop obviously travels with me wherever I go. I'm a digital nomad, so that is super key to have, and that's a no-brainer. Now going on with electronics, the next thing is my GoPro. Inside here is obviously everything that I need for my GoPro. Currently I'm recording on it, so you can't see the physical GoPro itself, but I have all the stuff, my microphone, my GoPro. I'll have my charging cables, my little covers, all of that kind of stuff, and of course wires to charge it. This little thing I bring with me everywhere, and again, such a good investment and such a good thing to have. It's like a multiple port. It's for the USB-C for my MacBook. Plug in, I can put 2 USBs in there, I can put another USB-C in there, and I can put an HDMI. So killer to have. Also make sure you get a good one so they don't like just act like shit when you plug it into your computer. Again, linked in my Amazon storefront if you really need one. Highly, highly suggest it. So that's kind of like my cables and a lot of my electronics. Now, one thing I cannot fly without is noise canceling headphones. These things are my lifesaver. Like, I could never fly again without these. I absolutely love these, depend on these. Fun fact about me, I actually hate flying. Like, I truly freaking hate it. And so these allow me to drown out all of the noise of a plane. I listen to whatever I want and I just get on my own little universe. My boyfriend never actually had noise canceling headphones, and one of our flights I let him use them. He bought them quite quickly afterwards and now is the same, will not fly without them. So definitely a must have. One thing you want to make sure you always bring with you with the noise canceling headphones is the jack for plugging into the actual airplane. Like if they have a monitor to watch something, you can plug this into their little sound thing and then you can listen on your noise canceling headphones to watch your movies and stuff. So definitely necessary. Next on electronics, which is obvious for me at least, if you don't have one, freaking get one, a power bank. This is from Anchor. It's like the 21,000 mega amps or whatever it is. Such a good investment. It's like $50. I use this all the time. When this thing is fully charged, it will charge my phone like multiple times over and over again. So I always have this with obviously extra cables, which I don't know where I would put my cable. Oh, there it is, right in front of me. Extra cables to plug everything into and charge with. You must need this. Again, also on my Amazon storefront if you need, but highly, highly, highly recommend it. Moving on from there, I like to bring myself a tripod because you never know. Obviously, I like to do content creation. I want to have it with me. So tripod has a little Bluetooth clicker to take pictures with in case my sister doesn't want to help me and take some content for me, because sometimes she doesn't want to be helpful. So I always have this with me. And that kind of, now I'm looking around all my stuff I laid out here, that's kind of everything in the electronic department. Obviously, I'm a big reader. This is my book right now, Atomic Habits, so I will always bring a book with me. Now, with that, entertainment-wise, this is a new thing that I have found and got for Christmas. I also got my boyfriend one. Game freaking changer. If you are traveling, or especially if you're in a plane and they don't have movies or videos, or you don't like their movies or videos and you want to watch your phone, but your head's down like this, looking at, trying to like prop it up on your tray, looking down like this, your neck's hurting, this saves it all. Literally folds out. You like stick your phone, where's my phone? You stick your phone like right in it for whatever you want to watch. It slides right in. And then this part slides down so you can like clip it onto the tray, click onto the side. It literally does like a full 360 no matter what direction you want to watch it in. You absolutely can. I've used it on the plane multiple times. Amazing. Like it's literally I think $12 or $13, and it will make everything so much better when you can actually have it on your stand, tilt it to where you want to watch and just watch your stuff and not have to worry about any of that. So this is my new like go-to must have, and then it just folds right up into this little thing. Stick it in your bag, good to go easy. I put all of my makeup in my bag because my makeup probably costs more in the whole collection than it does some of my clothes, because obviously for a girl, you know, makeup's expensive and I don't want anyone getting their little sticky fingers if they go through any of my stuff. So I always put my makeup in my carry-on stuff. So that's all in there. Going with that, a must-have. Get yourself a nice little clip, get your hair up in case that airport's hot or the airplane's sticky or whatever you need. And then my favorite dry shampoo, I talk about this all the time. Drop Dead Gorgeous dry shampoo, vegan, all good, natural stuff. This whole jar is my second jar. The first one lasted me 3 years. So just put that in perspective. 3 whole freaking years it lasted me. And I absolutely love it. It smells really good. And they also do ones for certain hair colors. So you can do like blonde, medium, brown. I don't know, I guess the pigmentation of the like powder is like, who knows? I have no idea. I don't know why I'm trying to guess. I'm not a dry shampoo scientist, but smells amazing, really good. Always have it in there so I don't look like an absolute disgusting person in case my hair decides to get greasy, because it always does. Of course, deodorant, you want to make sure you never smell on the plane. Add that little extra pump onto you. Pen to fill out anything you ever need. I love my little floofy pen. And then obviously just some tissues, some mints or gum, whatever you like. Brush, because my hair is super fine, so when I'm in like in a hoodie like this, underneath becomes a rat's nest. So like literally this is just from wearing my hoodie for a couple minutes. Keep that in there. And yeah, of course, gotta get the sunnies. Sunnies for when I arrive in that beautiful location, or if it's really early in the morning and your girl doesn't want anyone looking at her face. These babies. And of course, hydration. Get this so you don't have to buy stupid water for like $5 at the airport. Get one of these, fill it up for your way to the airport. Sorry, I'm probably taking my glasses off my head. Fill it up on your way to the airport, drink it before security, then just dump it out, put it in your bag. It'll go through, and then a lot of the airports nowadays have the free water fillers, so why would you not? But that is everything that I put in my bag. I'm gonna go actually pack it now and make it look all nice and pretty, but I wanted to share with you guys all the goodies and my little travel must-haves and why they're in the bag, and any extra little bits that I pack I'd love to have. So now I'm gonna go finish packing that, get in the shower, and then your girl's going to sleep so we can wake up and head to Jamaica tomorrow.